Hey guys, welcome back to RAR Garage. In today's video, we're gonna go work on my daily. It's not here. My dad came and picked it up. We're gonna go work on it in his shop. So let's get to riding. Well, we finally made it to Dad's house. All right, so today we're pretty much gonna get into rebuilding my motor. We got a bunch of new stuff. Got us a cam. Oops, don't want to do that again. Cam, got some pistons, rocker arms, piston rings, timing chain, and some new connecting rods. And we've already gotten tore into this motor. Of course, it spun a bearing and destroyed the crank. Kind of ate it up pretty good right there. And when we tore it apart, get over here, it bent the rod. As you can see, it's a banana. Definitely a banana. So that's why I went ahead and bought me my new connecting rods, my new pistons, and yeah. I ordered the new spider injectors. They got a new kit that's out that the injectors are down here at the end instead of up in here. We're gonna do that until I can come up with an intake and a throttle body, because I want to go full fuel injection and just wire it into fuel injection. But other than that, everything else is pretty dandy. You know, there's no lip. It's in pretty good shape. And show you guys the new one. Got us a 366, in which it's a big block, and we're gonna build this one for jugs. And yeah, we're gonna have us a big boy. And then I have a 383 that I have no clue what I'm gonna do with. That's the old motor out of the Camaro. Kind of toasted. And yeah, I guess we gonna get to work and get some stuff tore up and tore down and cleaned up and all the other good stuff. Plus 6 degrees. What? Hi. Update. Motor starting to come together. Looking good. New pistons, rods. Right now we're putting the timing chain on.
This is how clean it is. And then we got all of those thingamabobbers. And then on this side, there's more thingamabobbers. It looks really good, doesn't it?
Yes.